Could I get in the Grand? Ooh. There's a chance I might be able to. Let's walk over there. So, this is the Grand. Not a lot of opens, but there is less chairs than normal. It's also, looks like this place is open. Well, it's trying to. All the slot machines, they don't have the middle ones open, but it's to be expected. They also, wonder if the high limits are open. Hand sanitizers everywhere. Yeah, they got the high limits open. It's kind of a stupid question, but oh well. We got the middle bar open and going. I also got, I don't know, the Grand's kind of small. Cashier's open. Security somewhere around here. Oh yeah. This is everything they got. There's like only 2 chairs at each table. All the tables. I can't see the minimums. Now, the max was 500 on that one. Got some craps going. Not over here though, they haven't opened this yet. But, oh well. Yeah, every other. So that doesn't seem like the sportsbook's open yet. Oh yeah, that's the same restaurant. Freedom Beat. Wonder, is registration open? It is, so you can stay the night here. We got the art bar. The app bar. Let's go over here. Got that cool dice photo stuff. Go up. How much you want to bet security's up here though? Wow. The spot where I thought the most security would be. There doesn't seem like there is any. Still the same place. Fitness place is open too. Everything's all organized stuff. Should we try? Ah, there. Oh, it's real shut. Well, I don't know if this video is gonna be that smooth. Sorry guys, I'm doing it without a gimbal on the GoPro. This is the elevators. Forgot that's what's down here. If you want to see what the rooms look like, you can look back to our old Grand video. We got some special access. That's kind of a cool photo. But we got some special access in that video, so you're gonna see more. There's the Mob Museum. I don't know if that's opening. I wonder when. We're just gonna walk through again. Let's see. That's big for us. Watch out for them. They'll get you. Let's see if I can do the minimums. The min is 10. Max is a grand. For craps. For, I can't even tell what that is. 3-card poker. It's not that much. And for roulette, it's 10 and a grand again. I don't know where else I can go. 10, 500. Yeah, seems like the minimum is just 10 on each one. That was pretty much it for the Grand, with a ton of security, may I say. Very surprised. But there's the bar. Pizza Rock is not open at this moment. I want you 6 feet away. That's kind of funny. That's probably the quickest walkthrough I've ever done. Let's see where I can get into. I think I can get into Fremont. We're sure gonna try. I don't know how successful we'll be, but we're gonna try. No, I left that at home.
Yeah, you have to be 21 to come in and you have to have your ID on.
Alrighty, thank you. Oh well. I got into the Grand. So I didn't make it. To this point, I got as much as I could. Okay then.